Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and I know you've got that big race coming up and you want to be super comfy while still looking cool. Well, the Glycerin 16 from Brooks might just be the shoe. This comfy road running shoe is built for the neutral runner and the road with a 10mm heel to toe differential. You've got that upper that's the double Jacquard Mesh, and combined with your printed overlays there, you're gonna have lots of support that you need, but lightweight and breathable feels. You've got the Brooks logo on the side. It's a little reflective for low light times, and extra synthetic at the toe to keep your toe protected. You've got lots of flex with that Plush DNA loft midsole. It's gonna give you tons of cushion and a smooth heel to toe transition. Check it out, guys. We've also got that removable cushioned insole. It's gonna give you tons of underfoot comfort and anatomical support out on the road. And of course, all those goodies are sitting on top of that super flexible, yet very supportive and grippy durable rubber outsole. So don't miss out on this super cool shoe that's gonna take you across the finish line in comfort. It's from Brooks.